Nasabi rito, no, for some of you, masyado kayong mapagbigay, right? No? Kung makikita mo rito, ang daming mga kamay dito. That is, maybe for some of you, baligtad rin, no? Pwede rin naman kasing vice versa, right? No? Ang energies naman, no, pwede magkabali-baligtad, right? No? People are longing for you to connect, no? Longing for a connection with you, no, mga Taurus natin, right? With these hands, no, right here, kung makikita mo, ang daming gustong makipag-connect sa'yo, right? No? And you are saying no, no? Because with this second card, no, you have this, I deserve abundance, no? So, sinasabi rito, parang it's time naman for yourself, no? Masyado ka nang mapagbigay, no, mga Taurus natin, no? So, it's okay to say no. It's okay to turn your back, no? For those na laging hingi ng favor sa'yo, for some of you, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so, ayun yung